Alt R.
Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today we're going to see how fast you can actually send an email. Of course, you can't do any of this unless you have enabled your keyboard shortcuts. Let's go ahead and start this out. Let me find out where I'm at.
Main region, 9 columns and 12 rows.
And I'm going to stop. I'm going to insert F5.
Select the form field dialog. List
That's
1,
the
list view.
settings.
S settings buttons. Enter.
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 Enter again.
Enter. Close button. See all settings button to activate.
Add to
Press
see
space
all
bar. Enter.
settings.
Inbox 12 text.
Insert F5.
Select the form field dialog. K. Keyboard shortcuts off. Radio button not checked. 60 of 101.
Okay, I'm going to tell you those are off. You want them on. Down arrow.
Keyboard shortcuts on radio button checked. 61 of 100. Escape.
I'm going
General
to tell
tab
you
selected.
there's
One
an
of
escape option, or there is a conversation view. I highly suggest you turning that off also. I'm going to insert Z, turn my cursor off.
On. Off.
GI to
G,
go
I.
inbox.
Main region, 9 columns and 12 rows. C.
C to
Compose. New message
compose.
dialog. 30 E to end. To move to an enter. The recipient. Compose. Draft save H. I. Compose. Can alert. Cancel.
And
Alert.
that's
Undo. Message sent.
Okay. You turn your cursor off, C for compose, and you are whipping around
Message sent. New message.
really quickly. Down arrow through your emails really quickly.
Unread.
That is the way to fly.
Message sent. New
Of course, you can do it the old-fashioned way with insert Z, cursor on, and X, etc., etc. But the combination of both is whipping fast. And that is how you very quickly send a Gmail in standard mode. Go for it.
You have started.